Hello, trading is closed on January 23rd, 2020. We'll go over our calls. We'll look for the pattern with the early low. This is it. Said this pattern yesterday was negative, should lead to lower prices, not necessarily a lower close, and that worked. Here's what we said. Early low, further declines, not necessarily a lower close. During the day, MEJT gave a buy signal. It just means a higher target should print. Printed immediately. We didn't have to go higher, but the pattern said if this low held, compatible with a good rally, and that's what happened. We dropped down under all these lows, couldn't close under any of them. That's a rejection of the lows and should lead to higher prices. The catch is it can still be invalidated at tomorrow's open, because tomorrow's open is a substitute for today's close, and if we gap down, all this was for nothing. Such a gap isn't impossible because this long rally couldn't overtake these highs, so you can't bet money on it yet. Here's what I think. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. Typically it's a rally day with a high near the close, and if you fail, you drop in a straight line. We undercut the prior lows, closed over all of them. It's a rejection if we hold it at tomorrow's open, and it's most likely to lead to a new all-time high, but that's dependent upon the close not being invalidated at tomorrow's open by gapping down. That's possible. I can't say it's impossible because we couldn't clear any prior highs on this advance. So I think tomorrow with the pattern with the early high, the open's going to tell the story of this invalidated break is the real thing. You should not gap down, go over this high at some point. But if we gap down, all this work was for nothing. So we'll have to see how we open tomorrow, and that's today's call.